Okay, so this passage you're going to read out loud to me, and then afterwards you're going to fill in this graphic organizer about what happened. So try to remember all the details you can about the story, okay? Okay, so read this.
Animals are wonderful. If you look closely at how they live, you will find many surprises. It is hard to look closely at insects. They are very small. Many of them fly away when you come near. But if you have a chance to watch them, you will find how they live. Watching animals is a job that scientists do. It is called making observations. They have learned a lot about animals. Scientists learned about tiny animals. They have studied insects. They found that insects have tools. They use those tools to live. They learned about the sawfly. This is just one animal that they have studied. Imagine what the sawfly is like. Is it a fly? It is a fly, but not like many others. They call it the sawfly because it has a kind of saw. It's not a real saw, but it looks like one. And it works like one. It is part of the sawfly. The sawfly uses the saw to make places where the eggs will be safe. It saws at plants, so it makes a place where the eggs can go. Then the sawfly does something very special. It makes a sort of homemade glue that fastens them where they are laid. We are not sure how it does that, but if you can watch the sawfly, you will see this happen. Poppy bee is one of them. It is a bee that makes it home in wood. This bee has a boring tool too. It uses the tool to bore into old wood. It looks like a tool that a carpenter uses. Carpenters make things out of wood. The poppy bee makes its nest out of wood. Scientists observe birds too. They have seen birds use their bills to get They have seen birds use their bills to get bills. They can cut a hole in a tree. They drill the hole to get inside the tree where insects live. Then they eat them. Every animal is amazing. Even dogs and cats can surprise you. The more you look at animals, the more you will learn. Nature is full of surprises. Every part of every animal has a purpose. Scientists learn more about them every day. Nature is a wonderful part of our world. Scientists have studied nature and written books. They help us know more.
Good. So now with all the details you remember, you're going to fill out this diagram right here.